If you're considering trying QuickScreen AI, hold up, because in the next few minutes, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. This is one of the most promising new AI tools I've tested lately, and some of its features genuinely surprised me, especially number 6, stick around. You can try QuickScreen AI completely free from the first link below. No credit card, no commitments. And trust me, if you're serious about speed, efficiency, and content automation, you're going to want to test this one. So what exactly is QuickScreen AI? It's a brand new AI software built to create short-form videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels at scale. If you've been trying to grow a channel or monetize AI content, this is a tool worth watching closely. First thing, you don't need to appear on camera. QuickScreen lets you generate talking head videos using AI avatars and voiceovers that actually sound human. You choose the script, visuals, voice, and even the pacing. For solo creators or agencies, this removes a massive barrier to publishing consistently. Second, it's built with SEO in mind. You can feed it trending topics or let it auto-generate video scripts based on what's hot in your niche. I ran it against some of my own digital marketing prompts, and the output was scarily on point. Plus, it comes with automated hashtags and descriptions. Third, speed. You can go from idea to finished short in under 5 minutes. I timed it. Script, avatar, background music, subtitles, visuals, done. For those doing volume content or running faceless channels, this cuts your workflow in half. Number 4, customization. Unlike other AI video tools that lock you into a single format, QuickScreen gives you control. You can tweak the script, swap out avatars, or upload your own media if you want a hybrid approach. It's flexible without being overwhelming. Fifth, and this one's huge, it supports batch processing. You can bulk generate multiple videos at once with different topics or hooks. That's a game changer if you're managing multiple channels or running content for clients. Sixth, the voice quality. Most AI tools still sound robotic, but QuickScreen's latest voice engine is shockingly natural. I tested it on US and UK voices, and both passed the TikTok test, meaning they got engagement without people realizing it was AI. And finally, 7th, analytics integration. You can plug QuickScreen into your channel and track performance, views, watch time, retention. It feeds that data back into its suggestion engine to help you make better content next time. It's not just a video generator, it learns with you. Bottom line, QuickScreen AI isn't just another clone. It's easily one of the best just released AI software tools this year. If you're into automation, content creation, or scaling a faceless brand, you owe it to yourself to try it. The link to try QuickScreen AI free is in the description. And after testing thousands of AI tools, I've also listed my top recommended AI software picks below. Every one of them has a free trial so you can test before you commit. Check them out and I'll catch you in the next one.